In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Xero account, a straightforward yet essential task for accessing your business's financial data. Let's guide you through this process, ensuring you can smoothly access your account whenever you need to. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and navigate to the Xero login page. You can do this by typing in the URL xero.com US login into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you should see fields prompting you to enter your login details. Now, in the designated fields, you should type in the email address you've registered with Xero. Make sure it's the same email that you used when setting up your account, because Xero uses this email to verify your identity. It's equally crucial to ensure there are no typos. After entering your email, proceed to the next field for your password. Type in the password you created for your Xero account. In case you have multi-factor authentication, or MFA, enabled on your account, you'll be prompted to complete that step next. While this might seem like an extra layer, it's actually a vital part of protecting your account from unauthorized access. If this is the case, open the authentication app you use, likely on your mobile device. This could be an app like Google Authenticator, Authy, or whichever service you chose when setting up MFA with Xero. Simply type in the code provided by your Authenticator app into the space indicated on the Xero login screen. Remember, these codes are time-sensitive and usually reset every 30 seconds, so ensure you input it promptly. Once you have successfully inputted your login details and completed any necessary steps with your Authenticator app, you should now find yourself on your Xero dashboard. This is where you can access all of your organization's accounting data. Whether you're looking to check transactions, analyze financial reports, or manage invoices, the dashboard is your central hub for managing your business finances. In summary, logging into your Xero account involves accessing the Xero login page, entering your registered email and password, and, if applicable, completing the multi-factor authentication process. With these steps, you can confidently and securely access your Xero account and continue with your accounting tasks. Remember, maintaining secure login details is key to protecting your financial data. Thank you for watching. And if you have any further questions or need additional help with navigating Xero, feel free to reach out in the comments section below or check Xero's comprehensive support resources. Stay secure and have a great day managing your accounts with Xero.